I think I'm becoming a vlogger. I was gonna go work on the truck, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go get food. So, yeah, I'm gonna go get food, and then go work on the truck. But I'm deciding, why not vlog? And yes, I'm wearing a Chevy hat, driving a Chevy. This isn't my truck. So you get to watch me drive to go get food. High school. Oh, and my GoPro probably just broke. This is awkward vlogging because I don't know what to talk about. Paintball wise, I'm gonna go to PRZ, I think. So that's good news for some. Because I've been too busy with working full time. Even though I could go play paintball, I'm just too tired. And yeah. Hey guys, so after we ate, I didn't come back out. We're watching The Meg right now. Yeah, I know, The Meg, the shark movie. But here's the door. The only rust is here, and it's surface. Same with all the other little just dots of rust. That needs to be fixed, but this door was exactly the same, like exactly the same. That bottom hole for the mirror was all broken, so yeah, this door, I'm very lucky with it. It's not rotted, knock on wood or metal. Here's the cab. She's looking good. I'm gonna do that, paint that again soon when this is ready, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.